Hey guys, I have a fun star ornament for you today. I'll take you through how to make this ornament with 2mm string, but you can also make it with 3mm string and 5mm string as I've done here. I'll go over the details to create this ornament using 3 and 5mm string at the end of this tutorial. As always, I really appreciate your support. A like, comment, and subscribe go a long way for my channel. Thanks so much. Let's get started. Cut 3 pieces of 2mm string, each piece is 3 feet in length. Fold one piece in half and use a pin to attach it to your corkboard. Grab another piece of string and fold it in half to find the center. Tie a vertical double half hitch knot to the left cord. Tie another vertical double half hitch knot to the right cord. Use the cord on the left as your filler cord and tie a double half hitch knot working to the right. Repeat on the right side of your work. Grab another piece of string and fold it in half to find the center. Tie a vertical double half hitch knot to the second cord from the left. Tie another vertical double half hitch knot to the next cord on the right. We have now made one of the 5 points on the star. The method to create the first point is different than the rest. I'll now show you how to create the other 4 points, 2 on the left of the first point and 2 on the right. Use the middle left cord as your filler cord and tie 2 double half hitch knots working to the left. Use the second cord from the left as your filler cord and tie 1 double half hitch knot working to the left. Use the same filler cord and tie 1 double half hitch knot working to the right. Use the left cord as your filler cord and tie 2 double half hitch knots working to the right. We will use the same process to create the 2 points on the right, but work in the opposite direction. Sometimes it's a bit tricky to do that, so I'll take you through how to create the first point on the right, then you'll need to create one more using the same process. Here is what it should look like once finished. To attach the ends at the bottom, grab a piece of sewing thread, tie a double knot to attach it, and then wrap it around the ends of the string a few times. Tuck the ends of the sewing thread into the back of your work to hide them. Cut the bottom of the string as you see fit and brush it out to create a bit of fringe. These are fun little decorative pieces that could be used as decor on the dinner table or as ornaments by simply adding a piece of sewing thread to the top. To create the additional stars, you'll need 3 pieces of 3mm string, each piece is 3 feet in length, and/or 3 pieces of 5mm string, each piece is 4 feet in length. Thanks so much for watching.